Hey, can we talk for a minute? I think there was a misunderstanding earlier.
Sure, what's up?
When I mentioned the meeting time, I meant 3 pm, not 3 am. I think there was some confusion.
Oh, no. I totally misunderstood. I was wondering why you'd schedule something at 3 a.m.
Yeah, that would be pretty crazy. Sorry if I wasn't clear enough.
No worries. I should have double-checked. I was so confused, but thought maybe it was a typo or something.
Misunderstandings happen. I just wanted to make sure we were on the same page. Are you still available at 3 pm?
Yes, 3 p.m. works perfectly for me. Thanks for clearing that up.
Great. I'll send a reminder just to make sure there's no mix up.
Good idea. I appreciate you reaching out. Miscommunications can be so frustrating.
They really can. Glad we got this sorted. See you at 3 pm.
See you then.